guys caught me checking out the new 2021 Bay Star 3014, the Sport. So down in that cubby hole down there in your storage space, you actually have a little bit of extra pass-through. So I don't know, I'm just kind of blown away by this because, you know, this is the F53 chassis. It's a Ford motor. It's the new V8. The cool thing is, though, is that you actually have a little bit of expansion space in there to tuck away those long items. 30 feet for a coach. I mean, it's just incredible where Newmar's going and able to actually give you so much extra space. The sterling exterior, the paint on this color, oh my gosh, like it just shines, it glimmers in the sun. You know, at Newmar, this coach goes through a 14-day cure process, doesn't even hit the roads for almost 2 weeks before it actually hits natural sunlight. The BASF paint, you can tell it's the top quality paint they use in the industry. I'm gonna head inside and let's go over some specs on this coach, because if this is the right one for you guys, you know, give me a call. Let's check it out. All right, so you guys can see the sun glimmering in from the windows. Check out the cockpit space. That new V8 digital dash, the new setup, just looks absolutely stunning with that 108-inch windshield. Right in the middle of your captain and co-captain chairs, you have the fold-up table. Table folds all the way up, bends at the middle, so if you stop over at a rest stop, you can have a lunch, a quick little bite to eat, a grab of water, and then fold it back down, and you got your cup holders reserved there. Right above the headrests here, if you look up to the ceiling, this is a single sleeper drop-down bunk option. This is a really cool feature that Newmar offers on some of these 30-foot floor plans, just to have that one extra sleeping space on board. In your galley space, you got that tri-fold sofa sleeper couch. This thing is incredible because once you actually fold it out and over, you have a nice mattress, a little bit of a foam top that you can put 2 full-size adults to sleep on comfortably if you happen to have those guests over. Opposing that sofa sleeper is your booth dinette drop-down. Again, little rugrats in the families, small children. This is a really comfortable space to camp out on because remember, we are RVing and we're camping. And then right in front of you, you got the Samsung television that does have the swing arm to able to cant and pin that TV to the direction you want to watch. Because remember again, those captain's chairs are full 360 turnaround chairs, so you can watch a direct focused view of that television. Check out the kitchen space. The 2 stainless steel tub sinks, exactly the same size. To the left of the stainless steel sinks, you got the propane oven and the 3-burner cooktop, and the standard Whirlpool residential size microwave right above both. And here is the sweet option we have for the refrigerator. The Norcold 4-door gas electric fridge with ice maker. This is about the same size as a residential fridge. Yes, it doesn't have the same depth, but the 4 doors do allow you to have extra space than the standard 2-door fridges top to bottom without their ice makers. And then opposing that fridge, walk-in bathroom, so that door doesn't impose on anything when that slide is closed. Full-size shower, plenty of cabinets, and a porcelain toilet that is the absolute equivalent of a residential standard bathroom. And then, of course, to our captain's quarters, queen-size bed, big, large rear window on the back of this coach so you always can see behind you. That's a huge option people don't think about. You know, you don't have a rear view mirror up front, but just being able to see out the back window, maybe you have a tow vehicle, you do have that camera back there as well. It's just nice to have that extra space of a view. Panning back down the view of the entire coach, this beautiful 30-foot, 10-inch motorhome is set like a small condo ready to hit the roads. Wow, well, it's March 11th. It's a beautiful day. I just had a blast showing you guys the inside of that coach. Give me a call, let me know what you think. I'd love to talk to you and meet you and take you on a test drive. Thanks, guys.